If you are a businessman or working professional and you feel like your plan to earn more, grow faster, just isn't working anymore, then you need to hear this. You can't keep repeating the same 4 to 5 patterns. They are keeping you stuck in procrastination, delay, anxiety, and frustration. Your energy feels drained, your results are not growing, and deep down, you know something has to change. That's why I have created a session called Power Move. It's simple 3 hour session. We sit together and I guide you through the same system I have used for myself and many of my participants to break their mental blocks. A process I've used to break overthinking, clear self-doubt, come out of the mental fog, and finally start taking focused action again. It's not a shortcut. It's not a quick hack. It's a real space to reset how you think, feel, and move. You'll walk away lighter, clearer, and ready to move forward without pressure. If this feels like what you have been needing, click the link below and join the next Power Move.